San Diego 6 News in the morning.
Hey, Gary, I'm really excited because one of your guests today on San Diego Living has become a good friend. It's Dr. Nasrin from the La Jolla Cosmetic Laser Center. And she's the coolest lady. She's going to talk about this procedure that I had done called Thermage.
You know, I've been wondering what was going on with you. You look 20 years younger.
I'm regressing.
So
can I have that in my stocking?
Yeah, absolutely. It's a great procedure. It uses radio waves to kind of to heat up the skin. It tightens it up a little bit and then stimulates collagen growth over time. She'll explain all about it. It's very cool.
He looks younger every day.
Yeah, he certainly does. I know, honestly, watching a couple days, I thought, what's up with Mark?
What's going on with him anyway?
Oh, gosh, all right.
There might have been a Botox injection or two there, too, but we'll talk about that later.
Hey, take it all. Merry Christmas, buddy. Okay, it tones, it tightens, it boosts collagen, and it needs no downtime. It sounds good to me. It's not a miracle. It's Thermage. Dr. Nasrin, help me again, Mani, am I saying your name correctly, is here with us this morning. And I found out that you are the secret to Mark Bailey on how he looks so much younger this morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm doing fine, thank you.
Thank you very much for coming in. So tell me about Thermage.
Thermage is a non-surgical, non-invasive cosmetic technique that it has been proven clinically to improve, smoothen, tighten and contours the skin. By that, it restores a youthful, younger looking appearance.
Well, that is apparent when I look at Mark, and you have one of your patients this morning. Ann, good morning, Ann.
Hi.
Merry Christmas, happy holidays. Thank you for coming in. This is for the eyes, the face, and also the body.
Yes, all parts of body.
Can you tell us some of the benefits? We'll start with the body, and then we'll talk to Ann about before and after shots if we can.
Okay. For Anne, I have done Thermage on her eyes and face. I have contoured her jawline. I have done Thermage on her belly and on her hands.
Do we have some before shots? I think we have some before shots. If we can do a little bit of comparison here this morning. Well, there we go.
Yes, this is not Anne, this is another patient, actually. And you see the before picture, you see the bags under the eye, and you see the jaws at the lower jaw area. And after Thermage, after one Thermage, you notice that the bags under the eye has disappeared, and she has better contouring on the surface of the jawline.
Dr. Money, that is just one treatment?
Just one treatment.
Okay, now, so this is me on the left.
Yes. No, it's not you. It's a lady that has had 2 children, and she's 28 years old. And this is after 4 months after one Thermage treatment. You see,
are kidding.
Yes, non-surgical. Only Thermage with the deep body tip, and we have achieved a remarkable result with one Thermage treatment.
That is unbelievable. And as we look at the eyes here.
Okay, this is Anne, and you can see the hooding of the eyelid, it's difficult to apply makeup, and you can look at Anne now and notice that how much better her eyes look.
Oh my gosh.
That's before.
What an incredible
yes, that
difference.
is before, and this is now Anne after. And I can show you her hands because I have done Thermage on one hand and not the other. And you can see the top surface, how tighter the skin is here and how much looser the skin is here. And this is after one Thermage.
How many treatments do you typically have to do?
We usually like to do one, and of course as we age after 5, 6, 10 years the skin sags again and we can do another treatment, but usually one treatment is sufficient.
But it'll last that long?
Yes, because what Thermage does by sending radio frequency energy into the deep layers of the tissue, it induces new collagen production, and by that skin continues to get tighter as time goes on over a 1-year period.
Dr. Money, let me ask Ann real quick. We're starting to run out of time here. What do you think? I've seen the before and the after pictures. You look terrific.
Thank you.
And you looked beautiful before, but how do you feel inside?
Love it. Love it. It took 10 years off my life, my age.
And any pain involved?
You know, it's a little bit, you feel heat, but it's not painful. It's very, very tolerable, the treatment. Wouldn't
you say this is the perfect holiday gift that just keeps on giving?
Oh, absolutely.
Wow. let's give out the information on your company, on the La Jolla Cosmetic Laser Clinic. Let's give your address and give the phone number, and of course, you can always log on to their website. You see it there on the screen, lajollalaser.com.
San Diego 6 News.